To add payment methods, at the menu bar, navigate to Admin, Setup, then Payment Methods. Click on the checkbox to enable the payment methods you wish to use: cash, bank deposit or transfer, PayMaya, or DragonPay. If you wish to use PayMaya or DragonPay, please consult us via email at hello@suki.io. Click on the Update button to save changes. To set up bank deposit or bank transfer payment method, navigate to the Payment Methods page, Bank Deposit tab. Enter your instructions for bank transfer transactions. The message will be displayed to your customer upon checkout. Bank transfer instructions normally contain the following details: bank name, bank account number, and proof of transaction. Click the Update button to save changes. For more information, please refer to our documentation docs.suki.io.